All right, friends, this is lesson 4.1, page 238. Your book should be out and open now, please. Okay. The directions say to draw quick pictures, break apart ones to make a 10, and then add and write the sum. So I have 15 plus 7. So as you can see, I drew a quick 10 stick for the 10 and 15, and then 5 ones, and then I drew my 7 ones that I'm adding in. I'm going to box up 5 and 5 because that gets me to a friendly 10. So now I have 10, 20, 21, 22 would be my sum. On number 2, I'm going to draw 26 using quick 10s. 26 has 2 10s and 6 ones. And then my other add-in is 5 ones. Go ahead and pause the video right now to make sure that your quick 10 picture looks just like mine. I need to have another 10 created so that way I can make another 10. So I have 6 over here. 6 needs how many more to get to 10? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to take 4 ones to add into my 6 ones. So now I have 10, 20, 30, 31, and 26 plus 5 is 31. Okay, number 3, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to draw quick pictures of 37 and 8, both of my added. So I'm going to draw 3 10s for 30, and then 7 ones for 37, and then over here I'm going to draw 8 ones. Go ahead and pause the video now to make sure that you have a quick 10 picture that matches mine. So I have 37. I know that 7 needs how many more to get to 10? 7 needs 3 more. So now I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. I can't forget about my friends on top. 28 is my next. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, plus 6 ones. Go ahead and pause and make sure that you have both add-ins drawn, meaning that you have quick pictures to show 28 and 6. 28, 29, 30, so 28 needs 2 more to get to my next 10. So I'm going to circle those 8, 2 more ones. This one's left out. So now I have 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s. And how many ones left out? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the sum of 28 and 6 is 34. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take a look at the next page and continue working. (23 plus 9 equals blank). Okay. It says to break apart ones to make a 10. So I can draw 23 and add 9 ones. Okay. 9 needs how many more to get to 10? 9 only needs 1 more. So I can have 10, 20, 30, and 2 ones. If drawing the pictures, friends, is easier for you, then go ahead and make sure to draw those quick 10s. Otherwise, I want to show you another way that we could choose to add that doesn't involve using a quick picture. Okay? 48 plus 5. 48 is really close to my next friendly 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 48 needs how many more to get to 50? 2 more. So I can take a 2 out of 5. When I have 5 and I take away 2, how many am I left with? 3. I know that 48 and 2 gets me to 50. 50 and 3 more gets me to 53. So for 7 and 8, friends, I want you to try to solve 7 and 8 on your own. You have 2 different methods that you could use. You could either draw quick pictures to match each add-in, or you can break apart the numbers that help get you to your next friendly 10. Pause the video now, work through 7 and 8, and then hit play to see if we match up. Okay? I'm going to draw pictures for number 7. 1 10, 8 ones, 5 ones. 8 needs 2 more. So I have 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. Another way that I could have solved this, So there's my quick picture. Another way I could have solved this was I could have broken apart 5. 18 needs 2 more to get to my next friendly 10 of 20. And if I have 5 and I take away 2, I'm left with 3. 18 and 2 is 20. 20 plus 3 is 23. Did I get the same answer both ways? I sure did. I could also use a quick picture to check my addition sentence if I choose to break apart the numbers. Okay. 33 plus 9. Now this one is kind of tricky because 33 is 7 away from a friendly 10, but 9 is only 1 away from a friendly 10. Could I break apart 33? 9 only needs 1 more to get to its next friendly 10, which would be 10. 33, if I have 33 and I take away 1, that's going to put me at 32. So now I have 10 plus 32. I could start at 32 and count up by 10, or if I say 32 plus 10, I know that my tens place is going to change, it's going to go up 1 more, so that would get me to 42. Maybe you're not ready for that and you wanted to choose to solve with a quick picture. That's okay, I'll show you how I would solve that with a quick picture. Okay? I'm going to draw my 3 tens and my 3 ones to represent 33. Then I'm going to draw 9 ones to represent the number 9 for my addend. 9 needs 1 more to get to 10. So I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42. Did I get the same answer both times? I sure did. Okay. On number 9 and 10, if you felt like 7 and 8 went really well for you, great. Go ahead and pause the video now and work through numbers 9 and 10. If you were struggling on 7 and 8, we can go ahead and work through 9 and 10 together. Just continue to play the video. Okay. 27 plus 6. 27 only needs 3 more to get to my friendly 10 of 30. I'm going to take 3 out of 6. I know that 6 is a double stack of 3 plus 3. 27 plus 3 is 30. 30 plus 3 is 33. I could also choose to draw that out if I wanted to. Okay. And if you wanted to draw out number 9, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, and then 6 is your other addend. So you can see off to the side where I have 27 plus 6. 27 only needs 3 more, so I'm going to take all of the 7 and then 3 from the 6, and I have 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33. 49 plus 4. 49 only needs 1 more to get to a friendly 10. And if I have 4 and I take away 1, that gets me to 3. So 49 plus 1 is 50. 50 plus 3 is 53. And again, I can still draw that out using quick tens, which would be 4 tens, 9 ones, and then 4 more ones. 9 only needs 1 more, so I'm going to draw a box. 10, 20, 30, 40, 10 ones gets me to a 10. 5 tens, 1, 2, 3 ones. 5 tens, 3 ones. Remember, friends, it's 10 ones gets me to a 10. Number 11. Alex sets up 32 small tables, 9 large tables in a room. Then he sets up 5 more large tables along a wall. How many tables does Alex set up? Okay, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to erase all the work that we've already done. So in this word problem, friends, we heard a lot of really important information. Okay, I'm going to underline 32 small tables, and I'm going to underline 9 large tables. Okay, then he sets up 5 more large tables along a wall. So how many tables does Alex set up? I don't care if they're large or small. They're just asking me how many tables Alex set up in all. Because I want to know how many in all, that sounds like an addition sentence to me. My addition sentence is going to be 32 small tables, 9 large tables, and 5 more large tables. So I have 3 addends, and those 3 addends are going to get me to my sum. What is something that I could do to make this addition sentence easier? If you said I could combine some numbers, you are correct. I'm going to choose to put 9 and 5 together. If I put 9 and 5 together, that gets me to 14. Now I have 32 plus 14. Does that make my addition sentence easier? No, it actually almost makes it harder. So maybe 9 and 5 aren't the right numbers to put together. What are 2 other addends that I could put together to come up with an easier math sentence? How about 5 and 32? 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. So I could put 32 and 5 together, and my new math sentence would be 37 plus 9. And that kind of looks similar to the math problems that we've had throughout this lesson. What I could do is I could draw 3 tens and 7 ones to show you 37 in quick tens, and then I could draw 9 ones to show my 9 as the addend. So I have quick pictures drawn of both 37 and 9. I don't have to worry about my 5 anymore because I put 5 and 32 together to get my 37. Okay. I know that 37 needs 3 more to get to its next friendly 10, which would be 10, 20, 30, 40. So I have 7, 8, 9, 10. We said that 10 ones get me to a 10. So I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. 46 tables. If you didn't want to draw your quick picture, you could have done 37 plus 9. You could have broken apart the 9 to be 3 and 6, because 37 and 3 gets you to 40. 40 plus 6 gets you to 46. Okay. Number 12, Bruce sees 29 oak trees and 4 maple trees at the park. Then he sees double the number of pine trees as maple trees. How many trees does Bruce see? I'm going to ask for you to pause the video now and see if you can try number 12 on your own. Okay. So we have that Bruce sees 29 oak trees. I'm going to underline that, 29 oak trees. He sees 4 maple trees at the park. He sees double the number of pine trees as maple trees. Okay. How many maple trees did Bruce see? Bruce saw 4. And he saw double the amount of pine trees. So I know that 4 doubled, or 4 plus 4 is 8. So I'm going to put an 8 up here by the pine. Because my question is, well, how many trees does Bruce see in all? So again, friends, I have another addition sentence that is going to have 3 addends. And my 3 addends are going to be the 29 oak trees, the 4 maple trees, and then the 8 pine trees, because he saw double the maple that he did, or he saw double the pine that he did maple. So 4 doubled is 8. What is one way that I could solve this? This looks like a pretty good addition sentence for me to make a quick picture of. So what I want to do is I'm going to make a quick picture of 29, which would be 2 tens, 9 ones. I also have 4 as an addend, so I'm going to make 4 ones. And then my last addend is 8, which would be 8 ones. Do you think that I could combine some of these addends together to get me to a friendly 10? I think so. Okay. 29 needs how many more to get to its next 10? Just 1 more. And I can take that 1 from the number 4. So now I have 10, 20, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. Okay? Could I create another 10 though instead of just counting all of that out? Yeah, I have 8 ones over here, and I know that 8 only needs how many more to get to its next 10? 8, 9, 10. 8 only needs 2 more, so I'm going to take all of those 8, 2 more of these guys, and all of a sudden I have 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, but did all of my ones get used? Nope, they sure didn't. I have 1 left out. So now my answer is 41. All right, friends, we're going to go ahead and we're going to skip this part and we are going to move on to the homework. All right, you're going to snowflake 1, 2. You're going to circle, or excuse me. So you have snowflake 1 and 2. You're going to circle 3 and 4. Snowflake 5, snowflake 6, circle 7, circle 8, snowflake 9, and snowflake 10. The directions for this top part say to break apart the ones to make a 10, and then add and write the sum. So you can choose to either draw pictures, or you can actually break apart these numbers to help you. So like 62, how many more does it need to get to its next 10? And if you have 9 and you take away 8, how many would be left? So number 1 I kind of helped you with. Okay. Number 11 is a circle. And then number 12, we're going to put a C by that because that's a challenge. You can go ahead and pause and make sure that your front page looks like mine. All right, let's go ahead and flip it over to the back side. I want you to snowflake 1, circle 2, circle 3, circle 4, circle 5, and circle 6. When you're done, this goes in the pink hand-in tray, and then you need to get on Dreambox. All right, thanks, friends.